So I hope everybody is fine, right? The important notice is that without delay of any discussion, I can tell you the straight point is that in the July first week there is an Navodaya exam. In the July first week, June last week, or July first week. There is no official announcement, but behind that there is a background work is going on. They will complete the exam up to July 15th for every exam, because in the future maybe there is a third wave or fourth wave, whatever maybe, that will affect on the students only, children's only. So they have to complete their exam. So they won't postpone the exam and they won't cancel the exam. There is a no chance for that. So they have to conduct the exam. Okay, so for that reason I came back to you again the live classes. I have to recall all the subject whatever you have completed already. Okay, we have to complete the syllabus, recall the syllabus, and we will get ready for the exam. Get ready for the exam, whatever when they will conduct the exam. At that time we must be as like a soldier. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, are you ready?
Sir.
Very good. How many are continuing your preparation? ఎంతమంది చదువుతున్నారు, ఎంతమంది బ్రేక్ పెట్టారు? So everybody on your videos, Nana. Don't turn off your videos. Everybody on, you have to on your video. We are came back after long time, right? And then very important thing is that our total subject in mathematics, total topics are I think 15 or 16 topics are there, right? So if you complete one topic in one day, it will take the 15 around approx 15 days. Approx 15 days. Then count from the today onwards. I will be available only 15 days. I will available only 15 days. So that's why I started the class again. Whatever you have the doubt, whatever you have anything, and any topic, you have to finish your topics in this couple of 15 days only. It may decrease that 15 to 10, but not increase. Okay, I hope you understood what happens in the future, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me that what? Why? What happened? Yes, Asha? Why only 15 days? Why only 15 days? Why not more than 15?
In that days only we will complete all the lessons, sir.
No, after 15 days I am going from my job, so I can't stay here now. So whatever you have, that you have to complete in these 15 days. After that I am not available. Okay, if they will conduct in the 15th of this month, I will available only more 2 or 3 days, 15 up to 15 only. After 15 I won't be. Okay, so whatever you have the doubts, just forget about everything. You concentrate on your studies, complete your syllabus, again come back from the starting to ending, from the basic to higher level. I will give the questions. Try to answer for the every question as soon as possible. Try to ask the doubts and every topic. Okay, so let's start our topic. The which topic we have to start from the first? What is the first topic name? Which topic you want, guys? Okay. Yes, if I want to continue the class, you have to turn on your videos always, and you have to attend for every day. Even though today is a Sunday, but I conduct the class, because in the future I won't be here. Okay, keep it in mind and complete your syllabus. Don't disturb yourself, don't disturb to me. Focus on studies. Yes. And yes, which topic? The first, in for every topic there is a common topic. Is first is a simplification, Anna. Yes, Everybody just recall your simplification topic. Everybody recall your simplification topics. Just to see the simplification, what are there and board mass rules. I will give the 5 minutes of time. Just recall your topic. I will ask you the questions.
Three.
Yes. Okay. Shall I give the question? Yes. Now, let's see who will give the answer first. This question. Question number 1. After long time, first question, first answer. Who will tell the answer? Are you ready? How many are ready? How many are ready? Just raise your hands. Okay, let's see. Okay. What is the answer? What is the answer? 1025 division 125 division 5 into 2. Yes, Shalin, on your video. 1025 division 125 division 5 into 2. Quick.
టైంకి పోతాడు కూర్చొని కూర్చో స్టార్ట్
Yes. First question, first answer. Yes, Pawan. Yes, Pawan, can you hear me?
Sir, answer 5.2. Good morning, sir.
Yes, morning. Answer 5.2 ohm sai.
Sir, 3.28. 28. 3.28.
Yes, answer
3.28.
3.28, not 28. Yes, answer. చదువుతలేరు రా ఇంట్లో ఎట్లా వస్తారా నవోదయ షీడు
Sir, 8.2.
8.2. Okay. Look at here. Look at here, guys. So what is the condition? Basic model. According to the BODMAS, we have to give the preference first to the division, after that multiplication, addition, and subtraction. And I told you that when the division symbol is continuous, when the division symbol is continuous, we have to divide by that. So means that here first number is 1025 divided by, I can write the 125 into next division continuous is 5 is in the denominator. Up to here clear? Next again this chain is break.
0.06 like there, sir. That's why I 1625 did.
I told 100 times 1025. Okay, no problem. This is 1025 and in division 125 division 5 into 2. Here up to here the chain is continuous. That's why I kept in the denominator. Now after that came the what? Into. So chain is breaked into 2 here. Okay, then afterwards then do the multiplication cancellation. In what table can you cancel? 25 table. We knows the 25 table, right? 25 5s are 125. Don't be the silly and don't be as a beginner canceling the 5 table. I know the 25 table, 25 5s are 125. Again here 1025. So take the first three digits is 100, 102. So 25 4s are
25 of the 100.
100. Remainder is 2, 25. 25 1s are 25. Right?
One.
Up to here clear. Then here denominator, numerator is 41, denominator is 5. In 5 table we won't go 6. So again what to do? 41 into 2, that is 2 into 1, 2, 2
82.
into 82. Denominator is 25. Okay, denominator is 25. Now cancel in what table? 25 table, right? 25 1s are 25, 25 3s are 75. 25 3s are 75.
7. Remainder 7.
Remainder 7. So remainder 7.0, 70. 25 3s are 75, but is
3.28, sir.
3.2, 50. Okay, and remainder is how much? 70 minus 50, 30.
20.
0 is there. So again, this is become 300. 25 8s are 300. 3.28. You have to read this number 3.28, not 3.28. Harsha. Clear? Yes, Om Sai. Yes, Om Sai is there. Kidhar ho Baba? Okay, done. Now the next question. Who will tell the second question? 3.28, Nana. 3.2. Yes, the next question. Yes, question number 2. Answer for this question as soon as possible. Who will tell the answer first? Let's see that. 1.42 division. Read the question carefully. 1.42 division 0.4 division 0.2 into 10. Tell me that answer. I repeat the question. 1.42 division 0.4 division 2 into 10. Answer for the question. First. As Pawan. Yes, please mute everybody. Yeah, answer for the question first, quick.
Sir, 177.50. 50.
177.50.
0.50.
Okay, let's see. Okay, well done.
Sir, 17.750.
17.
Sir,
Yes.
177.5.
Okay. 2 members got the same answer. Hemacharan and Sriharsha. Shiva,
Sir, 17.75.
17.75. After point, call the digits. 17.75. Okay, let's see. So there is a confusion behind that point, right?
Sir, 177.5.
177.5. So here 3 members. Reference of the. So let's see that answer. Which answer is correct? Okay, Nana. Good. Keep it up. Let's see the answer. Here is the what? 1.42 Division means by 0.4. Division is continuous means in denominator only 0 point, sorry, not 0 point, is a 2 only. And here break into 10. Up to here clear? Now, first of all, first step is a what? You can cancel either point, you remove the point, otherwise not remove the point, nothing a problem. Here, if I remove the point 142 and denominator, there is after one digit, there is a point 10 will come in the numerator, that is 10. And denominator is 4 into 2. And numerator, how many after point, how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. So denominator 2 zeros into 10, right? Clear up to here? 10 into 10, 100, 100 cancel. 10 tens are 100, 100 cancel. Clear? Then in 4 table, 142 will goes or not? In 4 table,
no, sir.
no. How to check it that? In 4 table, 142 will cancel or
Last
not?
2 digits should go in 4 table.
Very good, very good. Last 2 digits must go in 4 table. Then the given digit number, given number is divisible in 4 table. I repeat, if any number divisible in 4 table, must be last 2 digits divisible in 4 table, Nana. ఏదైనా నెంబర్ 4 టేబుల్లో డివిజన్ కావాలి అంటే లాస్ట్ 2 digits must division in 4 table. That is the divisibility rule of 4. Then it will not goes in a 4 table. Then I have here 2 ones are, 2 sevens are, 2 ones are. Here 71 by 4, right? 71 by 4. Nothing is more than on that. So I can cancel first option directly. Avuna kada? 71 ni I have to divide the 71 by 4. So I can't get the answer more than 71, right? Is a half of the half.
Yes, sir.
It is a half of. I hope the option number 2 is the correct. Now check it. 4 table, 4 ones are 4, remainder 3, 31, 4 sevens are 28, remainder is 3, remainder 3 is less than 4. Again, then I can keep the point. 3 పక్కన 0 పెడితే 30. 4 టేబుల్లో 30 ఎక్కడ వస్తుందిరా? 4 sevens are 28. 4 sevens are 28. Remainder 2 already point ఉంది కాబట్టి 0, 20, 4 5s are 20. Yes, శివరామకృష్ణ, వెరీ గుడ్ నాన్న. ఎండాకాలం మొత్తం హాలిడేస్ లో ఏం చేసిండు తెలుసా రా శివరామకృష్ణ? సీసం గోళీలు ఆడిండు. కానీ ఆన్సర్ చేసిండా లేదా? చేసిండు. ఏం శివరామకృష్ణ, సీసం గోళీలు పనిచేసినాయిరా?
సార్
సీసం గోళీలు పనిచేసినాయి అంటవా? ఇప్పుడు శివరామకృష్ణ ఏమంటుండు తెలుసా? నేను సీసం గోళీలు ఆడినా ఆన్సర్ కరెక్ట్ చేసిన సార్. ఓకేనా? సో నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కి ఆన్సర్ చేయండి. ఇప్పుడు థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్. See who will give the answer for the third question.
బ్లూ టిక్ కూడా పడ్డది కదా.
135 division 5
బ్లూ కలర్ ఉంది కదా
into 25
జూమ్ మీటింగ్ లో స్కై బ్లూ కలర్
division
వస్తది.
75
కూడా నాకు పడ్డది, బ్లూ టిక్స్ పడ్డాయి. 10
plus 17. ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి అన్న.
మళ్ళీ పంపుతా చూడాలి మరి.
I want answer from everybody. ఏం దీపిక, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్ అని యాక్టివ్ గా చెప్తే ఆన్సర్ చెప్తలేవు.
ఇప్పుడు చూడు. లాస్ట్ 984 ఉంది, అదే కదా నెంబర్. దాంట్లో పంపుతారా? హలో వచ్చిందా నాన్న?
Sir, 26.
ఏమైంది? ఈ క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన రేపటి నుంచి చేస్తాం, తర్వాత చేస్తాను.
ఎప్పటి నుంచి నమ్మంటున్నాను నా కాదు. నేనైతే పంపినా మరి.
26. Sir, 98. Sir, Sir, 98.
98.
Sir,
దీపిక 98 వచ్చిందా? ఎట్లా వచ్చింది చెప్పు దీపిక.
90. Sir, I will tell you. For me also got. Pramod.
ఎస్ ప్రమోద్, ఉన్నావురా? ఎట్లున్నావు?
Sir,
ఏయ్, కటింగ్ ఏంద్రా అట్లా చేయించుకున్నావు?
జుట్టు పెరిగింది సార్, అందుకని మా అమ్మ ఇంట్లో కటింగ్ చేయించేసింది.
ఇంట్లోనే సేవింగ్ సేవింగ్
Hmm.
బయటికి పోతే ఖర్చు అవుతుంది. ఏం అదితి ఆన్సర్ చెప్తలేవు?
98, sir.
వెరీ గుడ్. అపూర్వ ఆన్సర్. సాయజ్ఞ ఏం ఎట్లా ఉండాలి? ఆఫ్టర్ లాంగ్ బ్యాక్ క్లాస్ తీసుకుంటే జోష్ మీద ఉండాలి పిల్లలు, అంతా డల్ మూడ్ లో ఉన్నారు. ఏమ్రా సండే సార్ బిర్యానీ తినాల్సిన టైంలో క్లాస్ పెట్టి ఏం సార్ అంటావా?
Sir, 98, sir.
ఎట్లా వచ్చింది చెప్పు దీపిక.
Sir, first 135 divided 5 do means 27 came, sir. Then again 27 into 25 divided 75.
రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ సార్, రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్. ఎస్ సార్, నో,
Sir,
wrong or right? Because why wrong means first 135 by 5.
sir, 26, sir.
Okay, whatever may be, 135 by 5 first step. Second
Yes,
step
sir.
is the what? 25 division by 75.
75.
Yes, sir.
Deepika,
Sir,
what?
means 7 into 1 by 3 will come.
Very good, very good.
That's 7.
Okay, Nana. Yes, good. Deepika, where you did the mistake? You first divided 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 sevens are. After that, what you did? You multiplied, but don't multiply it. Behind that, who? Division is there. One more division is there or not? 25 ones are, 25 threes are. 3 ones are, 3 nines are. 9 plus
26.
9 plus 17. 9 plus 17 is how much? 26. But your answer is 98, you are telling. From where you got the 98?
My for 26 only came, sir. And my for also.
మొత్తం కరోనా మాయా సార్. 98 అయిపోయింది సార్ మా కరోనా వచ్చి. అట్లయితే కష్టం నాన్న. శివకేశవ్ ఉండారా? వేరే శివకేశవ్ ఒకసారి ముఖం చూపిరా. అదే అంతగాడా ఎట్లున్నావు? ఆన్సర్ చెప్తలేవు మరి. మనం ఫామ్ లోకి రావాలంటే ఒక 2-3 రోజులు టైం పడుతుంది సార్ అంటావా?
ఆన్సర్ వచ్చింది సార్.
ఓకే, డన్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 5. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 5. 4 3 4 by 4, 3 4 by 3 plus 7 1 by 2 minus 8 7 by 5. ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి రా. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పిన వాళ్ళకి నవోదయ సీట్.
హలో గ్రూప్ లో యాడ్ చేసిన నేను ఇంకో ఫోన్ లేదా సారీ తర్వాత రికార్డ్ చేసి యూట్యూబ్ లో పెడతాండి అప్పుడు యూట్యూబ్ లో చూసి మీరు సరేనా
Sir, answer 73.
73 పర్ఫెక్ట్ నెంబర్ వచ్చిందా? మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్
19/5.
19/5. డిఫరెంట్ ఆన్సర్స్ వస్తున్నాయి.
Sir, my answer is 19.
ఓన్లీ 19.
Sir,
Next.
2.1.
ఆ
2.1.
మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ లో చెప్తున్నారు, డెసిమల్ లో కాదు, మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ లో చెప్పు.
Sir, 2/5/6. Mixed fraction.
2 5/6. ప్రమోద్ నీది
19/5.
19/5. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఇద్దరు వచ్చింది. నెక్స్ట్ శ్రీహర్ష
2 1/10.
2 1/10. ఓరి దేవుడు, ఓరి నాయన, ఇన్ని ఆన్సర్లా. ఓకే, లెట్స్ सी कौन बनेगा करोड़पति. राइट. फर्स्ट 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 4 13. 13/4 plus 2 7s are 14.
3, sir. 4 not 3.
అమ్మా ఇట్లాంటి తప్పులు బాగా తీస్తారులే. 13/3 plus 14 plus 1 15/2 minus 80, sorry 40. 5 8s are 40.
47/5.
47/5. వెరీ గుడ్. ఇప్పుడు ఎల్సిఎం చెప్పండి. 3 and 2 successive numbers. When the numbers are successive, number
30.
LCM is multiplication. When the continuous numbers are there, their LCM is multiplication. 3 2s are 6. 3 comma 2 LCM. Wait, Nana, wait. 3 comma 2 LCM is 6. Again 6 comma 5 are continuous number. 6 into 5 30. So final my LCM is 30. Now in 3 table, this 3 table 30 10s are 10 into 13 130 plus 2 into 15. 2 15 is a 30. 15 into 15 225. 15 square is how much? 225. Up to here clear? Minus
Yes, sir.
5 6 are 6 into 47.
282. 282, sir.
6 into 47.
282. 282.
282. Sure.